I'll be honest, I was bricking it. Yeah, I was very nervous coming on this pitch. Obviously 1-0 down, but for me as an individual, it was a great moment. Obviously, as you can see, I can't stop moving because I'm so nervous. And then I see Modric walking off. And I'm like, oh,
That's Luka Modric.
well, it's Luka Modric. Yeah, that was a bit mental. Yeah, I'm off the picture here, aren't I? What a moment, especially for Brody as well. I think that was his debut, wasn't it? What a moment. You can see how much it means to everyone. Here I am, look. Look at the fans. Obviously, that's Croatia, and the amount of fans you brought out there, it was brilliant. It didn't feel real, to be honest. Yeah, what a moment and what a feeling.